Hello again from my basement. I just had a request to show how to set the rotating knob on the NX8. I think a DX6 works, maybe DX8 maybe works about the same way. Set it up, that rotating knob, for a volume control. Well, that's easy, but there's been a recent update to the NX8 firmware that changes how you do this. So I'm going to go through as best I can the old way and the new way. Okay, so I've got the turbo timber over here powered up and the transmitter set up, and we're going to go through the menus here real quick. Press here, we're going to go down to System Setup. Yes. We're going to go down to Preferences. Now this is the new version that just came out of the NX8 firmware. Before, that setting we're looking for was in System Settings right above this. So I'm going to do the first one, then we're going to go back. So we're going to go Preferences. I'm going to go down here to Next. We're going to go to System, or go to Volume Controls, select, and then leave these all at 50, and go down to Analog and select R knob, or rotating knob. There's only two choices you have, are Inhibit and R knob. Okay, now we're going to back up. We're going to go to System Settings, and we're going to go to Next. Now, at one time when you went to Next, you got that System, or that Preferences menu essentially. Now it just goes to Calibrate. That next page was moved to the menu that we just backed out of. So if you have the old version and you go over to here, you're going to get, I think it may take another Next to get to that same screen that we just saw where we set the R knob to volume control. And that's it. Just back out here and you're done. And then up here on the
volume 95.
You can see what the volume control is doing there on the home screen.
Volume
From
100
back to 0. So you can turn all the sounds off, or you can make them really loud
volume
and annoy your neighbor flyers in the next station at your club with your volume. I usually leave mine set at about 50 or so. About right there, 50, 60. That's loud enough, unless you have a really loud airplane. So that's it. I'll post this on YouTube, and I'll get back to the person who asked the question, and I will add this link to my recent Turbo Timber Tips and Tricks video that I just posted yesterday. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.